A neon-soaked coastal paradise shatters into the chaotic, frantic seconds of an armed robbery. The escape route cuts through pastel metropolitan streets and down into the sun-drenched, crystal-clear waters of the archipelago, leaving two desperate fugitives with no one to trust but each other to survive the sprawl. But while the sirens wail inside this digital illusion, the actual heist is happening in the real world, where hundreds of millions of eyes are completely locked onto the screen. Within hours of the first footage surfacing, view counters fracture and global metrics accelerate at speeds the entertainment industry has never recorded. Revenue projections instantly eclipse the heaviest hitters of the Hollywood box office, without a single physical copy leaving a warehouse, proving this cultural hysteria isn't spontaneous, but the result of a meticulously engineered, high-stakes hype machine pushing expectations toward an absolute peak. To fuel that mechanical climb, modern audiences demand an impossible physical fidelity, right down to neon streetlights bouncing off a fugitive's sweat-drenched face. They expect a world densely packed, with brutal underground cage fights, paranoid backwoods hermits, and vapid live streamers, all seamlessly mapped across an environment that decays from heavy urban concrete into untamed alligator-infested mud. Yet as the scale of this fabricated reality balloons, the danger of selling such a massive dream casts a very real shadow over its creators. Decades of historic franchise success have forced a capital-intensive marketing campaign to inflate consumer promises to a razor-thin, volatile edge. And the industry has a grim memory of what happens when anticipation outpaces the code, triggering a catastrophic collapse of consumer trust overnight. Now, with the launch window rapidly closing, that meticulously crafted illusion is about to face the unforgiving scrutiny of millions of impatient players. Grand Theft Auto 6 is dragging us into the sprawling, chaotic state of Leonida, a guaranteed commercial titan, barreling toward the extreme risk of monumental ruin. Can the underlying code actually sustain this historic weight? Survive the hype cycle and brace for the collision on May 26, 2026.